وَاللَّهُ مُتِمُّ نُورِهِ. And Allah is going to make His nur, His light full. وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ. Although the unbelievers, non-believers might not like it. Allah doesn't care for them, whether they like it or not. Allah will make His light supreme and full. What does it mean? Now please note two things. This ayah is repeated in Surah At-Tawbah also. Just prior to that ayah, هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. This ayah number 9, which is the central axis of this surah. This is repeated in Surah At-Tawbah also, without any difference, no difference of a jot even. That is ayah number 33 in Surah At-Tawbah. Now, preceding this ayah is this ayah, يُرِيدُونَ لَيُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَاللَّهُ مُتِمُّ نُورِهِ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ. And preceding this ayah in Surah At-Tawbah, the same ayah, with only one difference of word. يُرِيدُونَ أَن يُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ. لَيُطْفِئُوا and أَن يُطْفِئُوا. يُرِيدُونَ أَن يُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَيَأْبَى اللَّهُ إِلَّا يُتِمَّ نُورَهُ. And Allah is not ready except that He will make His light complete. وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ, the same verse. Now what does it mean? Two things are mentioned in these two ayat. Noor, that it will become complete. And Deen, that it will become dominant. What does it mean? Noor is Quran, the guidance. وَلَكِنْ جَعَلْنَاهُ نُورًا نَهْدِي بِهِ مَنْ نَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا. I refer to this ayah from the end of Surah Ash-Shura. O Prophet, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you yourself didn't know what is book and what is iman. مَا كُنْتَ تَدْرِي مَا الْكِتَابُ وَلَا الْإِيمَانُ وَلَكِنْ جَعَلْنَاهُ نُورًا نَهْدِي بِهِ مَنْ نَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا. We have made this Quran, this revelation, the nur, with which we guide whomsoever we like from our bondsmen, our men, our creatures. So this Quran is nur, guidance. We have guidance when there is light. You can't travel without light. In the same way, you can't take to the right path without the light of Quran. Then we read it again in Surah At-Taghabun. فَآمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَالنُّورِ الَّذِي أَنزَلْنَا. So believe in Allah and His Messenger and in the light that we have sent down. So the light actually, which is referred to in these two ayat, ayah number 8 of Surah As-Saf, ayah number 32 of Surah At-Tawbah. يُرِيدُونَ لِيُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَاللَّهُ مُتِمُّ نُورِهِ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ. يُرِيدُونَ أَن يُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَيَأْبَى اللَّهُ إِلَّا يُتِمَّ نُورَهُ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ. That is actually this light of Quran. It will become complete and it will be preserved. Nobody will be able to destroy it or corrupt it or disrupt it. لَا يَأْتِيهِ الْبَاطِلُ مِنْ بَيْنِ يَدَيْهِ وَلَا مِنْ خَلْفِهِ. Falsehood will never be able to attack Quran, neither from the front nor from the back. This is the challenge of Allah. Inna nahnu nazzalna zikra wa inna lahu lahafizun. We have sent down this light and this remembrance and reminding for the humanity, and we are its protectors.